Generally, people in a consulting company are the biggest asset, right? So we also, as DHL Consulting, we very much focus on developing our people. And I would distinguish between development on a project versus also off a project. So on a project, what's typical for consulting, you see a lot of different areas, you switch projects every couple of months. So you would see a lot of different topics, a lot of different stakeholders and functions, and thereby already have a steep development curve in itself. What's also usual for us as an internal consulting company is that our young colleagues already take a lot of ownership and responsibility at a very early stage. So we, as a strategy company within DHL, we work very close and a lot with the top management, and then also our young colleagues already work very closely with them and get a lot of visibility also on that level, which helps to drive personal development. And then lastly, on the project, we do a large emphasis also on feedback. So we give and receive feedback up and down the hierarchy. So you get basically feedback from your project partner, but maybe also from peers, which will help you to learn and develop also from the feedback that you get. And then basically development across projects or off the projects. For that, we have what we call a personal developer concept, where you have a personal developer or PD, which is a fixed go-to person that you would go to regularly, and that helps you to drive your career development long term. So the PD is, for example, responsible helping you to understand and analyze the project feedback that you get, help you to identify your strengths, but also improvement opportunities, and from that then draw conclusions. For example, what would be the right trainings to take, or what would be maybe a good next step for an upcoming project. Yeah, so as an associate partner, I'm only acting as a personal developer for our interns. So they usually stay with us only for a short time. So it's not really possible to do very long-term career development. So my focus is really when we get interns and I'm the personal developer to get or to give them as many insights as possible. Yeah, many impressions that they see a lot of different things and that they get a very good understanding of what is it working like at DHL Consulting, and also what opportunities are offered to them within DHL Consulting, but also within DHL Group.